Do you want fix a Towers of Aghasba crashing? Okay, we are going to solve this problem step by step. Okay, we are going to solve this problem, okay, in PlayStation 5 and in PC. In PlayStation 5, we'll go to the network settings, okay, and you check your network. If work, the network, you go to the system and clear cache, and if not work this, okay, we are going to uninstall the Towers of Aghasba, okay, and install. In PC, we are going to the Steam or your launcher and go to the library. Here in the library, we are going to this section, okay, and go to the Towers of Aghasba, manage properties, and here, okay, you go to the installed files and you click to the verify integrity of game files, okay. You click and you wait, okay, and if not worth this, you go here and you uninstall and install. Bye bye.